Now at 6, in the past 10 months, we have shared countless stories of loss due to COVID-19. And because of the pandemic, loved ones have not been able to be with their family members at the end.
One Coshocton County couple didn't need anyone else. They had each other right down to the final minutes. Here's 10 TV's Brian Somerville.
Though our minds be filled with questions and our hearts will understand. Words sung by John Denver more than 40 years ago. Words that still connect us.
Yes, I see you, Debbie.
Look on the left.
Today.
Okay, can you see Vicki?
I see everybody.
On this Zoom, Debbie Howell, Vicki Harper, and Kelly Meek, sisters. Their story started with a post.
Can I read to you what we put on the Facebook so you can kind of get a picture of where we're coming from?
Certainly.
A post made by Howell 2 days ago.
With heavy hearts, we share with you that our beloved parents, Dick and Shirley Meek, passed peacefully within minutes of each other.
Dick would have been 90 years old today. His wife Shirley was 87. On December 22nd, the couple celebrated 70 years of marriage. And that's when their daughters say the guard, even if ever so briefly, was dropped.
They said to all of us kids, we think we're getting colds.
That was the day after Christmas. Then on January 8th, both Dick and Shirley, positive for COVID-19, were admitted to Riverside, separated by one floor. After that, it happened quick. With every avenue of treatment exhausted and with the rapid decline in health came the time to say goodbye.
We asked for them to be together, and they said absolutely.
Staff at Riverside found a room big enough for 2 beds and all of their equipment. Back to that post.
They were holding hands, and Mom's head was resting on Dad's shoulder.
Patience, my brothers, and patience, my son. In that sweet and final hour, truth and justice will be done. More words from John Denver's When the River Meets the Sea. The song Dick wanted played after he was gone, now played softly in the room while he and his wife were both leaving.
Mom passed first. Like I said, they were holding hands. The nurse put Mom's head on my dad's shoulder, and she said to Dad, Dick, it's okay to let go now. Shirley's waiting for you. And he passed within minutes.
70 years, decades of love, 5 children, 13 grandchildren, 28 great-grandchildren. The vibrant couple that did it all, skydiving, ziplining, world traveling. The grandparents so involved with the family they would do all the water rides. But so involved with each other, they would have a date every day at 3 p.m. Came down to minutes.
My parents got the blessing of walking together through the gates of heaven into eternity with never having to face until death do us part. How many people can say that?
Love.
It's beautiful.
Unconditional love, now an unapologetic need to save a life. The sisters wanted to share this story for their parents, but for you. To take COVID seriously and to give the virus the respect it demands.
Our hearts are shattered, but we are at peace knowing that they are together in heaven for eternity.
But his life will find a purpose, and in time he'll understand. When the river meets the sea. Words sung by John Denver, shared by Dick and Shirley Meek, that continue to connect us all. Bryant Somerville, 10 TV News.
What a touching story there. Their daughters telling us Dick and Shirley were both on the list to receive their COVID-19 vaccines today.